welcome back everyone. My name is Gabriel Aaron B. Cruz. Today we're gonna install Parrot OS for the VirtualBox. But first, we have to make sure that you have a VirtualBox in your desktop. If not, we can just download the VirtualBox from their website called virtualbox.com. Or I can just provide the download link right in the description. Once your VirtualBox is finished installing and set up in your desktop, we can now go to the parrot.com where we can download our operating system called OS. What is Parrot OS? Well, Parrot OS or Parrot Security System is a free and open source Linux distribution based on the Debian stable designed for security experts, developers, and privacy where people and it also includes full portable arsenal for IT security and digital forensics operation. Once you have downloaded the OS right here, or I can provide you the download link right in the description. Once you have finished downloading your Parrot OS, let's go to our file explorer to confirm if it's really there. There you go. It's really there. Once you have verified, let's open our VirtualBox. Here, this is where we can start importing the OS right over here. And then find that and right over here. And now we have to wait till the importing OS is finished. That was an instant. Well, once the import is complete, we can start the Parrot OS in the VirtualBox. We're gonna have to wait until it's fully powered up. And also this one. And also this one. Here, we're just gonna choose the basic one right over here, and then we're gonna wait. And there we go. We have ourselves Parrot OS within the VirtualBox. Thank you everyone for watching. My name is Gabriel Aaron B. Cruz, and this is Parrot OS installation tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye.